Average Mike. So real quick, we're just gonna do peel and stick tiles. Give the bathroom a little bit more refresh. Don't want to do hard tiles right now. Just did the hardwood floors in here. So nice, quick, easy 12 by 12 peel and stick tiles. You can literally just pull them off, peel them, stick them in there, and it's done. So what I'm going to do to start this off is basically pull up using my friendly painter's scraper. I love as a utility tool, right? I use this thing for everything. What I'm basically doing, instead of taking the toenail up or the quarter round up, I'm gonna pull it up a little bit. So I just slide the starter up just in there and start it that way. That way I'll take that full thing off and then put it back on. We'll start it out that way, see how it works out. And it's only the runs that are around the edges that do it. I'm gonna start in this corner. It's the most square corner, plus it's what you see when you walk in the door. So we have full tiles going across the window wall. And then when you come to the door, you have to cut in the threshold anyway, and you have the threshold to cover some of the mistakes maybe potentially you have. So we're gonna go from the wall to the outside and have full tiles all the way through until you get to the door frame and to the bathroom wall. So that's pretty much it. So hang in there and check this out of the peel and stick install.
The RAM that if you saw the video,
Subs. Speaking of which, like and subscribe underneath. Come on now. So here's the floor. After we did the stick, put everything back. It's good to go. It's got pretty good seams. It's held up pretty good. One review about it so far, it's been in for a couple months now. One review so far is the grout lines. You can see they're noticeable. So it couldn't be eventually seamless, but also the glue comes up and then starts wearing it down. So cleaning it's a little bit tougher and around the edges. But otherwise, pretty good product. Held up pretty good. Comes out clean, tight lines. So here you are. Thanks for watching Average Mike. Catch you guys next time. Like or subscribe in the bottom.